How to hard factory reset these Acer OHR668 wireless headphones for kids. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not working for some reason, like they're not pairing or they keep disconnecting from your phone or something like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. Also, if you just want to get it disconnected from whatever it was connected to so that you can connect it to something new, we can go ahead and do that. And once we do this factory reset, it's going to go straight into pairing mode, which it's in right now. So you can see it's blinking red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. It might be, you might have a solid red or a solid blue on here or something like that. Doesn't matter. This is still going to work. Basically, we're going to factory reset it, and it's going to make a little chime, and then it's going to go into pairing mode. So we'll do it now. And how we do that, we just push and hold the plus and minus buttons simultaneously. And I want you to listen and take a look at the light. It takes about 5 seconds. So I'm going to start 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you heard that little beep, then it started and the light sequence started again. So now it is back into pairing mode. It's been factory reset and it is ready to go. And if you're interested in these headphones, I'll put a link below.